Electra Holiday Village. The hotel has an ideal location next to the beach of the neighbouring Callisto Hotel and close to the amazing sandy bay. But to be honest, the resort is outdated. All furniture is old. Although the rooms are spacious, they need renovation. You can also say that the food is of average quality and unvaried. However, the water park, of course, is the advantage of this hotel over neighbouring villages. As a plus, it should be also noted that the resort tries to invite artists for evening entertainment. In our opinion, the Electra village is better than the neighbouring Callisto due to the water park and slightly better service, but the quality of the food in Electra is a bit worse.